Hello, everybody. Today we are going to be going over simplifying expressions, and then we are going to talk about the distributive property. So, in our simplifying expressions, this is something we learned in previous years. This another way to call or talk about this is simplifying like terms. So, simplifying like terms. And so we're going to look for letters, we're going to look for variables that are the same and have the same type. So for example, if I look at example 1 here, example 1 says 17u plus 25u. Those u's are the same, so I can combine the first two pieces together. So we can take 17 plus 25, and you might need to use a handy dandy calculator if your mental math is a little rusty as we roll into the beginning of the school year. 17 plus 25 is 42. They both have a U, so they get a U on the end. So 42U is how to simplify that expression. I want you to look at number 2. Number 2, see if you can simplify 15m plus m. Just a little hint or reminder is in front of that m, you can always have a 1 if you need to add a 1 to the front of that. Just to remember what that is representing. Okay. Looking at example 3, I want to look at that. We have several pieces here. We have 6t squared plus 3t minus t. And we want to look at the differences between all of these t's. I have a t squared, and t squared is the same thing as saying t times t or t multiplied by t. And then we have just t. Those are two separate things. So you can't combine t squareds and t's. And so the 6t squared is just going to happen by itself. But the 3t and minus what would be a 1t, those two can combine together. And that would be 3t minus 1t gives us 2t. So that is our final answer here. I want to look over at example 4. We have b squared plus 13b plus 13. So we have a b squared for a variable, we have a b, and we have a non-variable with 13. So this is already simplified. There is nothing else that I can do to it. Already simplified. If there's no movement, no addition, no subtraction that we can do with these, we're going to call that already simplified. Okay, so keep an eye on those that are already simplified and go through and practice examples 2, 5, and 6.